Hey, John and Nadya Melton here with MyLifestyleAcademy.com. We want to show you how to use social media the right way to create an above average income whilst creating the lifestyle that people around you go, dude, what the heck are you doing?
One of the biggest mistakes that we see today is people showing up to social media trying to sell their stuff. Remember, Facebook, Instagram, it's not Amazon, right? So you have to build up that trust and likability factor on social media the right way.
So how do you harness the power of social media to grow your business? Well, the foundation needs to be that you build your personal brand.
If you sell your product or you enroll someone in your opportunity, you get paid. And I know you're excited about your company or opportunity, but what if they buy from the company directly or buy from someone else? How much money do you make approximately? Nothing, right? So we need to be more strategic with how we promote what it is we represent.
Here's what we gotta do. We wanna be building trust and we want to be raising their eyebrows, AKA doing curiosity marketing.
And you need a system.
Yes.
There is nothing more important, right? We learned this 17 years ago when we first got involved in network marketing, the importance of a system. So over the last several years, we've really dialed in a system to build online. In fact, just over the last 2 years, our organization produced over $50 million in sales. Last year alone, we brought in 114,000 customers and almost 8,000 distributors, all on social media, specifically using duplicatable strategies that we teach you here at MyLifestyleAcademy.com.
If you're ready to elevate your personal brand, your marketing, your social media, your business to that next level, John and I want to do an exclusive invite for you. So around this video, you're gonna see an opportunity to put your name and email address so we can send you our most up-to-date tips and strategies straight into your inbox. And we're gonna send you an invite to our amazing community that you can join for free as well. So thank you so much for being here and we'll see you soon.
We'll see you on the inside.